24th only, which means I am creating my log file in today's date only, that is a 24th April 24. So here also I am giving 24 April 24 only, for example. Okay, so I want to save my log file by using today's date. If anybody is submitting tomorrow, then please change your date from 24 to 25 April 24 only date. Then day after tomorrow 26 only. But this is we are doing manually. But in advances, no need manually. We can automate our date also. That is at the time of advanced as classes, I will explain how to change the date value. Now if I am submitting this one, go to log window. But there is no log here. There is no output also. Now again I have opened. You can see here class 24 April 2024. Now you can see the log only. Whatever log we have printed, we can see that log information inside this log file. Okay, so in the real-time scenario, while saving the log files, we are using underscore with today's date only, because if I want to check the last week log file only without a date, how can I check? Means that's the reason. While saving the log files, your log must be suffixed with the today's date only. Okay, whatever when you are submitting, the date is required before submitting your log, saving your log. So this is a pr3. Anybody here any doubt, just let me know. And the disadvantage is, I want to check the warnings, I want to check the errors. Where can I check the warnings and errors? Compulsory we have to open the log file and we have to check the errors and warnings. Okay, that is a very risky process here. Now my question is, I want to see the log, I want to see the output in my location, I mean log window as well as output window. At the same time, I want to save the log and I want to save the output in my own location. Then how can we do that? So by using pr3 procedure, only advantage is we can save the log and output in our location. But at the same time, we are not seeing the log and output in our SAS windows. But my question is, I want to see the log and output in SAS windows. At the same time, I want to save the log and output in my own location. Then how can we do that? What is my point here, everybody? So that purpose will be used here I am closing this SAS session again. Okay. So if anybody wants to see the log and output in your own location, at the same time I want to see the log and output in my log window and output window also. Then here just save this one. This is I am closing this one here. Anybody any idea what is the log window? One more name here. Log window is otherwise also called as, anybody? In the first class I told log window is otherwise also called as, no? Okay, so that is a display manager here. We already discussed that is, okay, display manager only. Now here at the end of your proc step, DM is my command. DM stands for display manager. So I want to save the log. Log is a one statement, ends with the semicolon. Semicolon is a must required here. Then after that, file which this file location must be enclosed with the single quotes. Now I want to save the log file in this location only. That is a Control C. I have saved it. Now here Control V. Under this I need class.log only. Then double quotes. Okay. So here this file must be enclosed with the double quotes. Here log I have opened inside the single quotes. Before directly you can use single quotes here also, but here I want to here replace is required. Why replace is required means when we use the pr3 procedure, new option is useful to replace the log only. But here there is no new option. We have to use replace option along with the DM only. Okay, this is one more. Now I want to see the which one? Output also. Then I want to save the output also. Then DM output is a one statement here. Output. So then semicolon file. Give your file path location here. Then here class done. extension is a LST, double quote. Then again we have to use here replace is not required for LST. This is. So now I am submitting this one. When I submitted, you can see it here. Now submitting. Go to log window. You can see here. This is my log only. There are 19 observations and 5 variables. 19 observation 5 variables. Same thing you can see it. This log also. Which log? Under class also. You can see the same information. I mean at a time we can see the log in my log window, and we can save the log in our own location by using DM. DM stands for display manager. Like output also you can see this is my output only. Okay, but when we use the DM command, your log window it shows whatever name you have given under DM. I have given class. I have given class only. So that's the reason log you can see the class. Output also you can see the class only. Same output we are saving in my own location, and we can see the class log file class output in our log window as well as output window also. Okay, this is a DM command. DM is a one more command here. By using DM we can save the log and we can save the output in our own location. While rerunning, if you want to clear the log, okay, we can use this also. One more is there, especially I want to clear my log window. Then again DM in the first place, log, then we can use the clear. Clear also there, one more. Clear also again one more statement only. This is also must be enclosed with the double quote. Now you can see here DM log statement. You can give space also your wish. Why we are giving clear means so if I am submitting this one, go to this. Now you can see log window is a cleared only. There is no other lines only. We cannot see any lines here because I have cleared my log window. Now you can submit this one only. I mean before submitting, before rerunning, I want to rerun. Before rerunning, I want to clear my log only. If you want, you can use the DM log semicolon clear also. Otherwise, your wish. Anyhow, we are using replace option. Replace is used for to replace the log only. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to clear empty log, okay, empty log window, I don't want to see any lines here. You can use this also. Some people they are using, but not mandatory. Replace is enough only. If you want, you can use that also. So this is our DM command. Okay, DM is very useful because at a time we are seeing the log in my log window. At the same time, we can save the log in our own location. That purpose, this is very useful here. DM. Anybody, any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, here.
So DM have to be after proc print too?
Yes, after proc. No. Proc print to not required here. My mistake, that one. So proc print data is equal to class only. Then run it. Here, when we use the DM command, no need to use proc print to semicolon. That one also not required. Only your data step and proc step. At the end of your proc step, you can write it DM command only. If you want to, why here DM command I am using means I want to see my log in my log window. At the same time, I want to save the log in my own location, desktop location or any other location. So at a time we are performing the two activities. So that purpose will be used the DM command. If we use the proc print to procedure, by default we can save the only in our own location, but we cannot see the in my log window. That's only. So this is our proc print to procedure here. Still anybody any doubt? DM command also.
So here basically the log file and for the list file we are using the entire path, correct? C colon user.
Yes, entire path is required.
So can we define like that root path in a one?
Yes. Root path means if you have access, you can mention that path only. If you have access in that path. You means Unix level path or another server level?
Here the C column. From the C to data, it is a common in between both the log file and output file.
Yeah, we can use it, but if we have that access, path access, we can use it. We can use here not the C drive or D drive. Is there any common path? I mean common drive path, server path, some in the real